So hi dears, good morning. How are you all? This is your Zeenath ma'am. Are you all doing the homeworks regularly? Yes, very good. Okay dears, you have any idea about today's homework? I'll tell you, okay? I show you one quote. In that you can easily find out what today's class topic is. The quote is, we are living in a gadget driven world and kids want their own gadgets. It makes them feel like they are part of the whole culture. So, we are living in a technological world. So, gadget is nothing but it is a technology or electronic device that is useful for our day to day life. We are using mobile phones. It is also one type of gadget. Okay, we are using mixie to grind juice like that. That is also one type of gadgets. So we are living in a gadget driven world. So nowadays kids are very like to use gadgets, like they are using mobile phones and game consoles like that. Okay, so clear from this picture? Anybody guess what today's topic is? Very good. It's a gadgets. It's a gadget. The topic is gadgets. GADGET. Yes, gadgets. So gadget means is a small machine or device which does something useful. Okay, what are the uses of gadget? Means it has many uses. It saves our time. It brings joy to the family and increase our efficiency. It brings more fun and more innovation, creativity. Okay, these are the uses of gadgets. Can anybody guess in our body which part is a gadget? Yes, very good. It's a brain. So the best gadget is the human brain. We have many parts in our body, but brain is the primary part. Without brain we can't do anything or any activity. So the best gadget is our brain. Okay, moving to our thing sheet. Are you ready to listen our class? Okay dears, this is our today's thing sheet, gadgets. So before going to see our thing sheet, I am going to show one video. In that video, the most of the answers are available in that video. While explaining this thing sheet, I won't tell any answer to you. You have to tell the answer. Okay, ready?
Computer, laptop, printer, digital camera, router, headphones, hard drive, microphone, webcam, MP3 player, mouse, diskette, USB stick, memory card.
So have you all enjoyed the video? So see, first fill in the blanks to name the gadget. So first one is, see the picture, what is this, and see the spellings. Yes, dash dash n dash dash r. So see, what is the spelling of this gadget is scanner. SCANNER. Scan. Scanner is a what device? It is a input device or output device. So scanner is a input device. Okay, it is used to reflect the light to capture images and translate them into file. A computer can read and display. Okay, so it's nothing but scanner is used to read the photos and pictures into the readable form. For example, we are applying any exam or anything, means they are asking some photos, mean with that help of scanner it scans and read into the computer and give the photo in that application. So that is the use of scanner. Scanner is a what device? Input device. So clear? So second one, that video itself you have see this gadget. What's the name of that gadget is? We all seen in our computer lab and our smart class. Very good. It's mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. So mouse is a what device? It is an input device or output device? Very good. It is a input device. So using the mouse, we can move, select the text, icons, files and folders. So it is placed on mouse pad or desk. So it is placed in front or near to the computer. Okay, wow. So clear? Mouse is a what device? It is an input device. It is used to select or drag, that and all useful by this gadget. Okay, so clear? First one is scanner is also an input device. Mouse is also an input device. So moving to third one, definitely you all know this. What is this? Very good. Mobile phone. M-O-B-I-L-E. Mobile phone. P-H-O-N-E. Mobile phone. So mobile phone is what? In that word mobile itself, mobile means moving. We can take that mobile phone to anywhere we are going. Okay. So clear? Mobile phone, that we can call or message or we can hear songs, we can see videos. Okay, mobile phone. Next, fourth one, what is this? Here a headphones are having, here one song is playing. So what is gadget name is? Here see M-3 P-Y- or you itself can say. In that video also this gadget is there. What is the name is? MP3 player. MP3 player. P-L-A-Y-E-R. MP3 player. So MP means what? Music player. It's nothing but music player. Okay. So the help of music, MP3 player means we can hear more songs. We can store songs and we can play whenever we are leisure. Okay, that is the use of the MP3 player. Okay, so MP3 player. So first this is what it is, an input device or output device. Very good, it is an input device. Mouse is a what device? It is an input device or output device. Very good. Next we are moving to fifth one. What is this? It is pen drive. We also seen in many places, or your dad have many times in many situations you can see this. It is pen drive. What is the spelling of this? P-E-N, pen drive, D-R-I-V-E. So pen drive. So it is inserted to a USB port. It has high storage capacity. Okay, so pen drive we can nowadays 62 GB, 280 GB, like that many storage capacities of pen drives are available. So it is reusable. If we store many things, if we want if we don't want the things, means we can delete, again we can upload new videos or photos. So it is reusable. Okay, reusable, we can carry anywhere we are going. It is a portable device. Within our hand or within our purse we can carry our pen drive anywhere. Okay, So pen drive. Pen drive is a what device? Means it is a storage device. We can in that we can store many musics or films or photos, anything, any documents, anything we can store in that. Okay. So pen drive is a what device? It is a storage device. So the name of the gadget is pen drive. So clear? So sixth one is, see, it is like a cam. In that we can record. So what is the name of the gadget is cam recorder. Cam means camera. Okay. CAM, cam recorder, or ECORDER, cam recorder. So what is the use of this cam recorder? It is portable. We can like pen drive also, we can pen drive, laptop also we can take in our hand and go anywhere. So it is a portable electronic recording device capable of recording videos and audios. We can save after any time we can take and see the videos or audios. Okay, so clear? Cam recorder. Next, what is this? In your home you can see this type of gadget. What is this? Washing machine. Using this washing machine, your mom all wash your clothes. Okay, so washing, WASHING, washing machine, spelling MACHINE, machine. Okay, it is a home appliance. It is used in homes. This gadget are used in home, used to wash laundry. Okay, this term is used that water opposed to dry cleaning. It is simply it is used to clean our clothes with the help of water or detergent powder. Okay, that electric power. With that electronic device, all the term is gadget. Okay, so clear? Next, so eighth one is what? It is in your childhood days you can see this DVD player. Okay, DVD means is nothing but digital versatile disc or digital video disc. Okay, digital versatile disc or digital video disc. Okay, digital DVD player, PLAYER, DVD player. Okay, the full form of DVD is digital video disc or digital versatile disc. It is a disc capable of storing videos. Okay, CD type. Okay, DVDs are widely used for storing and viewing. It is mainly used for viewing movies. We put a CD in that DVD player, means we can see films in that in our television. Okay, so clear? Next, the last one is, what is this? By seeing the picture you can easily understand what is this. It is a water heater, WATER, water heater, HEATER, water heater. Okay, water heater means it is also a home appliance for domestic users. The main purpose is to get hot water. Okay, in early days they are using for cooking, cleaning, bathing and heating purpose. Okay, mostly is used in homes. Okay, clear? Water heater. So in first one, have you all clear about this? First one is scanner. Scanner is a input device. So mouse is a what device? Input device. What is this name of this gadget? Is mobile phone. What is this name? Is cam recorder. Using that we can capture audio with video. And then what is this? Pen drive. Pen drive is used to store more videos or audios or pictures. and then mp3 player. With that help of mp3 player we can hear more songs, we can store more songs. What is the use of washing machine gadget is we can wash our clothes. Water heater means we can heat the water for bathing or cooking any purpose. Okay. DVD player means using that DVD player we can watch films or any videos in our television. So clear? Okay dears, moving to second Roman. Before that I am going to show the evolution of gadgets. Okay, see that video. How our gadgets are evolved means now we have smartphones, camera, laptop, tablet, and many electronic toys. Instead of having to go to cinema in your car means and pay for tickets you can, but now we watch them in at your home with the help of internet, with that help of gadget through the mobile phones or through computer. Okay, so one good thing by using these or gadget is through our social network we can talk to our friends or families to all over the world. Okay. So have you all seen that evolution of gadget? See, in early days, a computer occupies a space in one room. Nowadays, by 5 meters or like that, it is enough. Like that, many changes, many evolutions are in gadgets. Have you all enjoyed? So moving to our second Roman, named it given gadget. So it is common. First one is what? It is keyboard. So what is the use of keyboard is it is a what device? Input device. Before we have seen two input devices. What are they? Very good. Scanner as well as mouse is also input device. Keyboard is also an input device. It allows a person to enter letters, numbers and other symbols into a computer. So using a keyboard we can enter lot of data. Okay, a keyboard contains many keys. Okay, many keys, space bar key, caps lock key, many keys you are all know. Okay, so keyboard. So take second one is this is also a known one. What is the name of this gadget is tablet. Tablet means not as a medicine, it is a computer term. Tablet, it is similar to smartphone, okay, but bigger size. Okay, tablet is simple and convenient to use. It is like a mobile device with a mobile and touch screen. Okay, tablet starting stage is 7-inch. Okay, 7-inch screen is called that is a starting. Nowadays 12 inches or 14 inches tablets are available, but starting is 7 inches touch screen is called tablet. Okay, so clear. Next, third one, what is this? The name of the gadget is radio. With that radio we can hear a song or conversations. Okay, it is used to convey information from one place to another through the interventing media without wires. It is also like portable. We can charge and we can take with wherever we are going. Besides being using this transmitting sound and television signals, radio is used for transmission of data in coded form. Okay, so radio is also one of the gadget. With that use of radio, we can hear many informations or songs, and we can improve more knowledge by hearing the useful messages. Okay, next, fourth one, what is this? What is the name of gadget? Is microwave or micro oven. Okay, with that we can cook. No, okay, microwave is also a home appliance. It is easy to use with one touch. Okay, we can set the time, means in that time it is cook and give to us. It is used to cook fast in wide range with cooking. Okay, it is a lightware. It is made up of lightware technology. Okay, microwave oven. Okay, so see, again I am repeating. First one, this is keyboard is the input device. So second one, tablet is similar to what? It is similar to smartphones. Okay, this is radio, we can hear informations. Okay, wow. Next, fifth one, what is this? Here the paper is here, dress emission. So what is the name of the gadget? Is printer. So printer is a what device? It is a output device. Previously we have seen 3 input devices. What are they? Scanner, keyboard and mouse. Very good. So printer is a output device. Okay. So printer, printer, printer. It is an output device. It prints paper documents. Printer has 3 types of printer. What are they? Means inkjet printer, laser printer and automatic printer. Okay, it's nothing but it accepts the data. What is there in that paper, it gets a copy from that. Okay, that is the use of the printer. It is a output device. Next, it is also easy one. It is known gadget only, all the things. It is a calculator. So calculator. Calculator is a portable device only. We can like that pen drive also, we can take in our hand and go anywhere. Okay, it is used to perform calculations like arithmetic, anything, any addition, so subtraction, multiplication, division, any mathematic problem we can solve through this gadget calculator. Okay, the first electronic calculator was created in 1960s. In that time only the first electronic calculator is invented. Okay, clear da? Next, seventh one, what is this? This is a router. It is router. It is a main thing used in that internet. Okay, a router is a networking device. It is that forward data packets between computer network. For example, if we are sending a message in WhatsApp. If I have one packet, means if you are receiving, means you have one packet, that is data packet. Okay, if I am sending the message, means third person also sending any message to you, that and all without any traffic, it reach to you. That is a help of this router. Okay, for me, Pradeep is also messaging to me, Ritika is also messaging to me, Madhuyalini is also messaging to me. Means at a time 3 messages will come. How? The in behind gadget is router. It clears the traffic, like police, traffic police clears the traffic. No, like that router clears the traffic and send the message to a particular person without any delay. Okay, it is the use of router. Clear da? Next, last one, it is a home appliance. Definitely all known, it is a mixer. Okay, mixer means A machine that is used for mixing something, a device that blends or mixes substance or ingredients, especially by in mechanical. If you switch on the electronic device, means it mixes. We can prepare juice, anything, through the help of this gadget mixture. Clear? Second Roman. Clear? So first one is keyboard. It is an input device. Okay, and then scanner is also an input device. Mouse is also input device. From this, which is output device? Very good. Printer is a output device. With that DVD player, we can see films. Through the cam recorder, we can record camera. Pen drive is a portable. We can store many things. Radio we can hear. Router, it is a networking device. It helps in traffic. Okay, clears the traffic. Mixers. What are the things we are put into the mixer? Clear? Moving to third Roman. Before I am going to show how technology changed our world. Okay, in early days they are writing letter. Nowadays letter is not available. Through by text or typing a message we can send. In early days fireworks, they are all stone only, they are produce a fire. Nowadays matchbox, many things, lighter, many things came. Okay, in the early days they are wood only, they are cook and eat. Nowadays gas stoves are many. These are the how technology or how gadget change our world. Okay, so technology changes how we work, and technology changes how we live, and technology changes how we interact and how we communicate. Okay, so nowadays 75 billions of devices will be connected to the internet. So up to 2020, 75% billions gadgets are available. Okay, and then nowadays in survey report telling 69% of children's using the gadgets. Okay,
Here I am, just a lonely Cheeto on a hot summer's day. What could possibly go wrong? I'm gonna eat you! No, not again! Not if I One more! Mario, you saved me. I know. I just took a shower. He just took a shower.
Hey! You get to borrow some eggs?
Sure.
All right. That is so cool, Casey. And I'm still working on mine, but it's really ugly.
okay, have you all enjoyed the video? How much excited you are? Okay, dears. We are moving to third Roman. Match the following. It is very, very easy here. What is this? It is laptop. What is this? Iron box. What is this? Desktop computer. What is this? Web camera. And then last one is air cooler. Okay. Here web camera, desktop computer, air cooler, iron box, laptop. Okay. So first one, laptop. Laptop means it is a small computer. Okay, the smaller version of computer is called laptop. Okay, without many wires. In computer, CPU is connected by one wire, mouse is connected by one, like that. It is not in laptop. Okay, it is also like a notebook. Okay, it is thinner and lighter than computer. And then iron box. So iron box means it is a piece of equipment for making a clothes flat and smooth. Okay, flat and smooth. A machine that is heated by inserting a iron ore core. And then third one, desktop computer means a working surface of desk, a computer suitable for an ordinary task. Desktop means is a personal computer for regular use. It comes with a high definition display with many applications. We have many storage and many uses are available in computer, desktop computer. And then web camera means is nothing but it takes up images or video. Okay, it is connected to a computer and allowing its images to seen by with the internet uses like Skype applications. We can through the web camera we can talk to a friend in US. Okay, it is a combination of a web as well as audio and video. Okay, last one is air cooler. So air cooler means it gives a cooling air to us like AC, but it is stand position. Okay, device used for cooling and reducing the temperature inside buildings. It works on the principle of air being passed over water. Without the help of water, it regenerates and gives a cooling air to air. Okay, it is defined as a rejecting heat from the object from flowing air to make a surface cool. Okay, clear this thing sheet have you clear da. So this one is laptop, and then second one is iron box, third one is desktop computer, fourth one is web camera, fifth one is air cooler. Okay, clear? Have you all enjoyed? Okay, dears. Have you all enjoyed this thing sheet? Now I am going to show a current trend of gadget usage in coronavirus. I'm going to show three gadgets in this corona period is infrared forehead thermometer gun. If you are going in Pudukkottai Kilarajavidi means if you are going any textile shop means they are in our hand they are keeping this thermometer to detect whether we are affected by corona or not. Okay, it detects a temperature. Okay, second one is corona detector. This is a mask of corona. Using this mask, we can identify whether a human is affected with corona or not. Okay, and then third one is coronavirus doorbell. Okay, this is all kept in airports. With that fingerprint, they can identify whether the person is affected with corona or not. Okay, many useful things have you all learned. Once again, what is the topic is gadget. So in this thing sheet, what are the input device have you all seen? Very good. Scanner, mouse is the input device. What is the output device? Printer is the output device. The smaller version of computer is laptop. Here is a desktop computer. What is the use of web camera means it accepts video. It is connected to computer. With that internet we can call or talk to our friends, okay, or relatives. What is the use of this what is the name of this gadget is tablet. Okay, it is similar to smartphone. bigger size smartphone. It is calculator. It is used to the size of calculator. It is do all arithmetic operations. Okay, and then what is this? It is router. It is sends data packets without any traffic. Okay, to a specific member. Radio means it gives through that we can hear more informations and music. Okay, what is this? DVD player. With that we can see movies. Pen drive means we can store many movies or films or pictures, audios, many things. Mouse is the input device. Camera recorder means we can record audios and videos. Next, water heater means we can heat our water. And what's the use of water heater means we can bath or we can take that water and drink. Oven means with that help of oven we can easily cook what you want to have. And then mixer is used to mix our ingredients, like we can prepare chutney or juice, anything. So clear? This thing should have you all clear? Okay dears. Okay dears, have you all? I think so you are all enjoy this video, thing sheet and more informations I have told you. Drink more water, eat healthy foods. Okay, do the homeworks regularly. Okay dears, thank you. At finally you have to write your name, class, section, and also which gadget do you like the most. You have to write that gadget name. Okay, and then which part do you like most in this video. Okay dears, thank you. Have a nice day.